Welcome everyone to another version of 5-Minute Salute, 5-Minute Veteran Salute, excuse me for that. And again, today we have another tremendous Navy veteran living in Jacksonville, making a living here as well, Jaren Woeppel. Jaren, what are you doing these days?
Yeah, thanks for having me. So the biggest thing I'm excited about is the mortgage brokerage company we started a few months ago, Motto Mortgage Invictus. It's focused on the residential side, and I'm really trying to help the VA loan, the veterans, the active military, and anyone capable of using the VA loan. It's a great product out there, but unfortunately, there's a lot of information that people don't know about it, and so I'm here to help the community answer any questions they have and see if this is the right product for them.
How do they find you?
They can go to my website, mottomortgageinvictus.com. That's the easiest way. You can send me an email, a text, a call. All of my information is on there.
Okay. Now, don't get mad at me.
Yeah.
I'm a 25-year Navy guy, and I have never used my VA loan. So, if I were to buy another home, how would I, I'd go to your website, which is what again?
mottomortgageinvictus.com.
Okay, and then take me through it. What would you be doing for me since I've never utilized my VA loan?
See, that's unfortunate, and that's a statistic that while we have this fantastic product, only about 20% of the eligible veterans in VA actually use the product. So for you, what's the biggest thing to know is it is a 0% down loan, or the option to, but the great thing is it's backed by the VA. So what that means for you is going to be lower rates because it's less of a risk for the bank. It's backed by the VA. It's only for VA or their deceased spouse or anyone eligible, so it's a very unique product. And you don't have to pay mortgage insurance. Those are the big ticket items that if you were to do a loan outside of that product and not want to put 20% or over, that you will be paying for. So this is kind of a thank you from the VA to say, hey, I vouch for this veteran. They're going to repay this loan, and VA loans have the lowest foreclosure rate of any other loan product. They back the veterans. They say thank you for your service, and they provide a superior product.
Okay, so my wife and I are thinking about downsizing. All the kids are grown. We want to buy a little beach house, right? So I look up your website, and then I contact you, and then what are you telling me to do in order for me to exercise my VA loan?
Perfect. So the first thing we'll do is we'll just get some basic information, see what you qualify for, and then we'll have to get your eligibility from the VA. Very simple. Takes a couple of minutes. You pull that document, pull in some information, and then you can really see your eligibility, what your costs are going to be, and then you can go home shopping from there. And then I'll take care of that side, and then you take care of the home shopping side.
Now, I had a dishonorable discharge. Just kidding.
I was like, wait a second.
Now, can a veteran, if I bought a home, let's just say when I was 22 and now I'm 59, and I paid it off, am I eligible to use the VA loan again, or am I only able to use it once in a lifetime?
Another fantastic question. It's a lifetime membership. It doesn't expire. You can always use it. You can use it if you've been retired for 30 years and you just decide to use it now. You can always use it. And there are certain restrictions on if maybe you have a current VA loan and you want to get another one, but if you're planning on selling it, you can use it again, or you might have to wait and then use a VA refinance. There's a lot of different options to go, but just know that as long as you qualify, the dishonorable discharge would not. But you can always use it, lifelong ability.
Okay, and now you and your wife moved here from another part of the country, and how long have you and your wife been here, and what do you think about the market here, the residential market?
Yeah, so we moved about 5 years ago. We hopped around a little bit. We were in oil and gas, both of us beforehand, so we went to the nice places of rural Texas, rural Ohio, Oklahoma, just a lot of places that aren't Florida, and we've been coming here for a long time. My brother went to school at Flagler. My father lives down here, retired, so he's with us and the family now, and we just love it. But we decided to move here when we started the family. It's a great family town. It's great to be around family, and we haven't looked back.
Now, what do you project with the Fed? Do you think the interest rates are going down? If I was in the market today, do you think you would say, hey, Dan, wait a little bit? Or no, Dan, they're going to go up? What would your advice be?
It's a good question. So I don't have a crystal ball, unfortunately. I do personally think things might get a little better on the interest rate side, but what I really stress is let's just look at what we have right now. If it makes sense for you, if you're looking to get some money off of your monthly payments, if you're looking to do whatever it is, if it makes sense right now, maybe you go for it. You know, maybe things get better, maybe they get worse and you wish you would have done it. So it's really just case by case, what do we have right now? And if it doesn't make sense for you right now, we put a pin in it for if it does get better in the future. But really that's what I say, because unfortunately I don't know where it's going.
Sure.
And you really just, it's a personal thing, and if it makes sense, why wait and try to time it? Because if it does go down, we can always revisit that in a few years and try to fix it with a different product.
Right. Before we go, how do people find you again?
MottoMortgageInvictus.com.
Very good.
Or you could send me an email. It's jaren.woeppel@mottomortgage.com.
Awesome. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time and what you do for the community.
Thank you.
Folks, another edition of the 5-Minute Salute, and we love our veterans, and really they make North Florida go. Thank you again for listening in.